Hi everyone, and welcome to my review of Spin Rewriter AI. This is the newest edition. I'm recording this towards the middle of 2024, and this product has been around since 2010, I believe, or 11. It's been around for a long time, and it's always been updated as time went on. I thought actually this product was gonna be obsolete when ChatGPT hit the market, but actually it's even better than ever. And it actually complements ChatGPT pretty well. So if you're looking to produce great content quickly that passes AI detection, I'm going to show you how to create an article here in a second using this software. But this is a good buy, and you could try this out for free. So the link is going to be directly below in the video description box. Feel free to use it. You can also get a membership to this, and it's actually half off right now. And I think it's $77 for the whole year. You're also going to get access to a bunch of extra add-on stuff, so it's very cheap. So if you're looking to put out content that's SEO optimized, that you can spit out quickly, this is a good low-cost investment for your business. And I'm going to show you why right now. Right now we're going to rewrite a single article, and I'm going to take you over some of the stuff that what this does. Try to be as brief as possible while showing you exactly what it does. You can get an idea of what it does, and you can try it out for yourself. So what I did is I went over to ChatGPT, and I created, this is going to be my YouTube thumbnail for this video. Pretty cool. Spin Rewriter, I got the tornado, the SEO. It actually came out really good. And that is one of my prompts here. It's called Visualize It, Your Path to Perfect Images. I actually came up with 2 of them. But that is that. I think I went on the wrong one. But yeah, these are cool. Check this prompt out if you want to create images. It's on the ChatGPT Plus membership. If you're paying that $20 a month, you can check this out for yourself. But my prompt makes some really good images. But we're going to go over to here. And this is the actual article I created for this demonstration video on Spin Rewriter. And I'm using the old model here, 3.5. I do have the newest edition, but I'm just doing this for, like I said, demonstration purposes. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this straight out of ChatGPT. We're going to go over to a tool I use called Undetectable AI. And we're going to paste this in here. We're going to reset this. And then we're going to paste this ChatGPT article in here. And we're going to see check for AI. And you can see as your content is detected as written by AI. Boom, almost all the way across the board. So we're good. Obviously, it's an AI article, so it detected it. And this is a good product to have, too. I'll leave a link below. I use this all the time, and it's very cost effective. We're going to go back over to Spin Rewriter, and we're going to rewrite this article quickly and easily. So you got there's also a WordPress plugin with this. I don't use it on my WordPress blog, but you can, and you can have this going on autopilot if you want to do that. And I use the rewrite a single article function. So we're going to go in here. We're going to paste our ChatGPT article in here, and we're going to want to rewrite it. And this article was kind of related to this video, SEO in the Age of AI, Adopting Strategies for Success. We're going to rewrite this to pass AI detection and be as human as possible. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings. You can pick for most unique, use as many synonyms as possible. Recommended, use synonyms that are reliably correct. Or most readable, only use synonyms that are definitely correct. Now the higher you go on this, the lower uniqueness score you're going to get, but it's going to be written a little better. So they recommend the middle one, so I'd go with the middle one or the most readable one. We're going to go with most readable one. You can also put protected keywords in here. We will not replace these with synonyms. So whatever keywords in your article that you want to protect, you don't want changed, put those in there, and then you're good to go. Then you got advanced settings. Auto one-click rewrite, automatically start the one-click rewrite process in step 2. Enable hyperspeed. Use hyperspeed technology for the one-click rewrite process. One-level or multi-level nested spinning. One-click rewrite should also find synonyms for words inside spun phrases. Enable manual rewriting of sentences and paragraphs on. Highlight sentences with your mouse to insert alternative sentences. So you got to do this. Put these on. I put it on yes for all these. And then you only got to do that pretty much once and you're good to go. Now we're going to rewrite paragraphs with AI. Here we go. I know this will show you how fast this is. Now you can rewrite the whole paragraphs. I'm going to put rewrite all paragraphs. And if you don't like the variation they come up with, you can just hit that rewrite another version button and it'll come up with another one until you get one that you like. But I'm just going to go through all this and show you a couple more options in this and show you what it comes up with. And then I'm going to run it through that AI detector software to show you that it passes as human content. And we're going to go from there. So let's let this finish. And we'll move on to the next step. So I'm going to be quiet for a couple seconds here while this finishes. And you can watch it go. And it's almost done here. Now we're going to put use paragraph variations. There's 19 of them. It already switched it over. Now we're going to go over to the next step. Now it's writing the article for you. This is the cool part. It's automatically selecting synonyms to create unique articles. And you can actually create hundreds of articles out of one article. It's really cool. And mess around with it. It's got an SEO option. It's got a more human option, which I'm going to show you in a minute. There's all kinds of cool things that you can do with this. And there's also an option you can place videos in your article off of YouTube, pictures, all that good stuff. So as you can see, it's 99% unique. And we're going to go to the final step. It's now finalizing your article. Now you can generate unique versions of your article. I just want one. You can also add insert relevant videos. We're going to do, it's about AI and SEO. We're going to put AI SEO. We're going to come up with some videos. The new way to do SEO in 2024. We can add this into the article. Fully automated SEO with AI. Pick ones you like. We'll add that one. So there's 2 videos. And then we put use videos. Now those are going to be placed in the article automatically. Images, we can do the same thing. AI, SEO. Look for a couple images we like. Bam, bam. Put 2 images. Use images. We're good to go. Now we can generate a unique article right here. 95% uniqueness. And I'm going to go over these options here right now in a second. We're going to run this through undetectable AI to make sure it passes AI detection. And then we're going to go on to another step and we're going to try it once more. So it didn't pass it. The original ChatGPT article using 3.5 obviously was detected as AI. We're going to see what this one does. As you can see right across the board, your content appears human. And it's all green all the way across. So it's passed AI detection with flying colors. So now we're going to go back over here. And we're going to do a couple more things I'm going to show you. There's also a translate button. You could do it in different languages. It's really cool. I never used this one. It says translate the article into a different language. Translate the article to Spanish, German, Chinese, Bulgarian. I mean, there's all kinds of options. Estonian. Yeah, really cool. You pretty much got all different languages you can translate it to. So if you're doing a lot of international marketing, this would be very useful. I haven't used that feature yet, but I might in the future. And now you got a Humanize button, and you got an Optimize button. So what the Optimize is going to do, you can optimize the article for SEO. Optimize title that will grab the attention of your readers and provide as many clicks as possible. Right. Revolutionizing SEO to thrive in the AI-powered search landscape. That's decent, but I wouldn't use that one. And then you can also hit another one until it gets it. Article description. This article discusses the impact of artificial intelligence on SEO strategies, emphasizing the shift towards user-centric content, enhanced user experiences, personalized interactions, and technical SEO advancements. Sounds good. Article summary. Hit the right button. It'll come up with a summary. Article keywords. This is very useful. So it's going to save you time if you're creating a blog post. You can just copy and paste these into your tags into your blog post. You're good to go. You can click OK. And I believe that automatically updated. Now you can go to the Humanize button. This is really cool too. Very cool feature. Humanize with an AI model fine-tuned on best performing SEO content. And it'll tell you a little bit about it there. Add some common typos. TEH instead of the. Add some common misspellings. Add some common homophone confusions. There instead of there. A lot of people do that. I do that on occasion too. Add some letter capitalization issues. And it gives you examples. Add punctuation issues. Add some repeated letters and words. Add some common spacing issues. And you click the Humanize button. Now it's going to humanize your article. Success. Your article has been humanized as per your preferences. Apply changes. It's switched. Let's run it through one more time. Now it's even more human than before. But it already passed with all flying colors. But it's always a good idea to humanize your article as much as possible. Let's try this one more time. And we're going to click check for AI. Flying colors all the way across the board. So what I've noticed about Spin Rewriter is if you want unique content, this is a great software to have. That's not going to cost you a lot of money that you can spit out blog posts. You can use it for social media marketing. There's a lot of uses you can use this for where you want to get out content quick and fast. It's going to pass AI detection that's actually will get indexed. That's not going to be seen as AI. So it's a really good, and it's only getting better. He's always updating the software. It's been around for 15 years now. It's crazy. But excellent tool. You got everything to create SEO optimized content really fast. So you want to create a bunch of articles, like you want a blog post on autopilot, you can do that. You can use it for creating content for your favorite social media platform, really quickly to save you time. You can use it for YouTube video descriptions. You can use it for basic whatever. And it does a really good job. And the big thing is it's going to pass AI detection, which means your content's going to get indexed and all that good stuff. But 2 thumbs up for Spin Rewriter. Excellent tool. And like I said, it's been around 15 years, so it's always going to get updated. So you ain't got to worry about it being here today, gone tomorrow. It's been around for 15 years already. And it's a good deal. You can try it out for free. Like I said, free is a great word. Link below in the video description box. Check it out for yourself. If you like it, pick it up. It's only $77 for the whole year, and you're going to get a bunch of extra add-ons added onto it. You see I got it. I just ordered it a few days ago again. And I've ordered it a lot. Probably seven different years I've had this. And there's a gold membership here where you can order up to 50 articles on any topic with your personal choice of keywords every single month. Your articles will be delivered with the spin tags already in place for your convenience. So I got 50 articles. So if say I want to make I want 10 articles on a certain subject, I can put those in here with the keywords. And then you can pick your articles, how many you want, and then you request them, and then within like hours, they're ready to go. They'll automatically deliver them to you. So this is pretty cool. Cool option as well, save you even more time. But that's it. This is an awesome tool. Definitely try it out. Pick it out. It's for free. You can try it out for your business if you like it. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to pass AI detection. What more can you ask for? You can write in different languages, which is really cool. It writes SEO optimized. So 2 thumbs up. Check it out. So with that being said, if you like this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate that. Helps my channel to grow and more people can see this video content. Also hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Or if you got any questions about what I went over in this video. If I forgot something or you got a question about Spin Rewriter, feel free to ask me a question in the comments section below. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.